Hey guys, it's Aaron here. For this YouTube channel, I'm gonna show you one cool thing about Blender. It's a 3D animation where you can build and sculpt a lot of things. You can build your video animation and a lot of things, guys. This is cool. But I'm not gonna take your time, and I wish you like the video after watching it. So guys, first thing to do when we're starting to learn Blender is something. We have to get the software on our PC before we start using it. So we have to search for like blender.org to bring us to the main website. You click on it. Sorry, I think something is wrong with my yeah, let's reload it. Yeah. This is Blender 4.3, which is the latest one. If you want to download that, you have to download it, but I'm using Blender. Yeah. Just click on download and you start downloading. So this is it. Click on it because I already have it on my system, I wouldn't have to download it. So all I have to do is just click this, cancel it, and just enter it. Boom. But this isn't 4.3, this is 3.4. I use 3.4 sometimes for some things, but I'm still going to use 4.3 for you guys. I have it on my system. So first thing, after installing and I open the software, this is what's gonna happen. So guys, if you have launched your Blender 4.3, this will be the first thing you see. So for me, I've already used it, so it's going to be different from yours. It's going to be different from yours. Yours will be a kind of setting here, telling you to choose whether choose some kind of settings. So after doing all those things, just click outside the space. It will bring you to the 3D viewport. Guys, you will spend most of the time here, and then you will like it. Yeah, you will like it. So, but the first thing you will see is a light, a camera, and a cube. So this light should help you to know what light does. Yeah. And camera, so you can render whatever you are doing. Camera, let's enter the camera. Boom. So for the short keys, I'm gonna tell you many more. But for me, I'm using a system with the mouse. So I prefer you buy a mouse or you get it the mouse. And this bar here, this you can click on this and enter a lot of modes. This is animation, shading, text printing, modeling. Let's go into modeling. So if you want to model something, sculpting, with the sculpting, yeah, and if it is animation, and if it is animation you want to go into, and if it's animation you want to go into, yeah, the movies, it you can try something cool. But for now, let's go back to this software where you're gonna spend most of the time. So there's a light, camera, and a cube. There's a way there's a way of adding things into the 3D viewport. First of all, let's delete this cube. Yeah. You might be wondering how I did that, but I just return it and say, if I want to delete this cube, I can right click on it. After selecting it, it's now deselected. You can select it, right click on it, and then come here, delete. And this is the short key. You can find short key here. So, or if there's a long way for you, you can just hit X on your keyboard and then delete. It's going to go. So for you to add that cube back to the 3D viewport again, you have to just come to this hard right here. Click on hard, mesh, cube, comes back right there. And if that's the long way for you, you can hold shift, then click A on your keyboard, and then come to this measure, and then you boom. That's it. And for you to, if you want to edit this cube, like you don't know, you don't like how the shape is, you don't like it, or it's kind of rough for you, you can just, after selecting it, you know, for you to know if it's selected, it's going to bring this orange color at the edge of the border. Yeah, that's how you will know it's selected. So after selecting it, you hit tab on your keyboard, then it will go into edit mode. So for you to edit your cube, you have to just tab into it and then do it. You might be wondering how I am, moving this, like moving everything like this. I am using my mouse wheel, my middle, like clicking on my mouse wheel and then moving it. But for those who doesn't have mouse, all you have to do is, for me, if I don't want to use mouse, I'll just lay two of my fingers on the touchpad and then swap it. It moves. It moves. So for you to, if you don't like the shape of the keep and you want to do some editing, you can come into edit mode. And notice, guys, let's go back. Like if you are done editing, you can just tab again if you leave the edit mode. And I want to show you something, right? Let's add another mesh. Let's say cube. It's already there. Just add another cube and I move it to the right side. And the way I moved it is, after selecting it, you just hit G to grab on your keyboard. G to grab on your keyboard. Then you move it. Then you move it. Select it. G to grab. Move it. Select it. G to grab. Then move it. So now let's select one of the blocks and enter edit mode. Tab on your keyboard. After hitting tab on your keyboard, I want to show you something, guys. If you have selected a mesh and you've tapped into edit mode, there is no way you can access the second object. You won't be able to access the second object in edit mode. That's the problem. That's something you should keep in mind. So while it is in edit mode, you can always edit this one. So let's edit some things. For this one right here, I want to explain all of this. There are more tools you can use here. For this one, it is for moving this thing. It's for moving this. And guys, I don't know what this is, but I noticed that wherever this thing is, if you add another mesh, another cube, it's going to come back here. If you put this here and add another cube, it's going to come right here. Let's try. Let's go back. No, it is here. Let's add one mesh. Come here. If we should place it here and add another mesh, comes here. Which means anywhere this thing is, this cursor, this center is going to come back. And you had a mesh, it's going to come back here. Let's just undo it. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Now let's tap into edit mode. Hit tap on your keyboard, and then for this one, to move it. If you wanna move the cube, start off editing and bullshit. So for this one, if you wanna rotate the cube, boom. And for this one, if you want to scale it, you want to scale it. This one, you want to scale it on the y-axis. Guys, the red line means the x-axis. The y, the green means the y-axis. There's a third one which is the z-axis. It is this one. The blue line here is z-axis, which means up and down, up and down. It doesn't matter if it's there. So for this one is to transform, everything. Doing, if you want to do some crazy editing, you can use it. Let's just undo that. For this one, and you wanna, yeah, see, I don't know if you're good. Hold on. Let's just undo that. Also, it's not, they are failure user for now. But this is extruding. But before I go into this ones here, I want to show you. I just left, tap all these three buttons here. If these three buttons here, if I want to select this part here, if I want to select this face of this cube and I click on it, it's not selecting, just like see. Once I click inside, it's selecting this edge here, and I don't want to select this edge. I want to select this face. This face. All I'm just going to tap on this one. You see, the face is selected. Selected. Select. But what if I want to select this edge? This edge is not selecting. The edge is not selecting. How am I going to do? I'm just going to tap on this one to select the edge. See? Selected. Select. I just zoom in. Selected. Selected. What's all of this? The second point here. You want to select the, I don't know where this is called, but select this sharp. Or you can do some pretty editing here. So let's select this face. Let's select this face, but this face. You can do something. If you right click, after selecting the face, if you right click on it, there are a lot of things you can do with it. You can delete, delete face, it goes away. It goes away. Let's undo that. For this one, you can extrude it, bringing it out, bringing it out, bringing it out. And if you select this face, you can bring it out. Select this face, you can bring it out. There are a lot of things you can do, guys. Loads of things you can do. What does it look like? It looks like some kind of, I don't know. Let's delete this face. Delete this face. What does it look like now? Right? Let's go to this is to this face. See, guys, this is awesome. You can, there are a lot of things that you can, this one is for insert face, which means let's see, insert, this is what the inserting means. Just insert face, push it in, and then when you go back to this extrude, I extrude it out. Right, extrude it out. You wanna insert this face, click on there, insert, come back here, extrude. Select this one, insert, select this one, extrude. Awesome. This is awesome. This is nonsense actually, but it's awesome, right? you can create a robot, maybe Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, another thing. And there are lots here. Let's go into modeling. It's pretty insane, want to model this, okay. And if you notice, guys, there's a tab here. This is where it shows all the properties to this mesh. It shows all the properties to this mesh which is cool. Or if you want to add colors, if you want, a light stuff is and how it does, and they put it right here, which is good. And for this animation bar, if you want to create animation, like, movie animation, let's create movie animation. Let's scale it down. You might wonder how I scale it down. Just hit S on your keyboard and then push it in. S, push it out, push it in. S, push it out. So that's how it's done. Let's create one animation. And this is timeline. This is timeline, guys, like what you do from time to time. And this is start. This is the end. This end 250 means how long is going to take. Will it the hour, will it minute, seconds, milliseconds? I don't know. So let's say I want 24 frames. Let's put that 24 frames. That's 1 second. Because I'm only good at animation, that's what I use. I don't go anywhere but that side is really cool. So now for now, I just select this one. First of all, for me to do later animation, let's move it right here. Insert the key. So you can see after inserting the key, it brings this. This means I want at frame 1, I want it to be here. That's why inserting the key means the position will be here as frame 1. And for you to insert the key, all you have to do is just hit I. After selecting the object you want to insert the key, hit I on the keyboard, this insert the key. Then I want at frame 24, which is 1 second. I want it to be here. Let's move it forward. Then insert the key. So if we should play, you can play the. If we should play the animation, play. It moves very fast. Because 1 second is enough. One, move. If you keep moving like that, move. That's how animation goes. And then that's pretty much it. So hey guys, I hope you liked the video and you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, click the notification button so you can see more of it. Thank you so much, I appreciate it.